look here. Find the dimensions of a rectangle whose perimeter is 28 meters and whose area is 40 square meter. In this problem, he given perimeter as well as area. He is asking the length of the rectangle and breadth of the rectangle. Length, breadth we have to find out. Perimeter is given 28 meters. Area is given 40 square meters. Okay. Now, based on these two, we have to find out the length and breadth. Okay. What is the perimeter formula? Perimeter is equal to perimeter of a rectangle formula 2 into L plus B. That is given 28 meters. L plus B is equal to 28. Send this 2 to right side. Whenever I am sending this 2 to the right side, it comes in the denominator's place. Okay. Now it is 28 by 2. After cancellation, L plus B is equal to 14. Now, B is equal to 14 minus L. I am sending this L to the right side. So, L plus B is equal to 14. B is 14 minus, this L will become minus L here. So, B is equal to now 14 minus L. Okay. Now, come to area part. What is the area formula? Area is equal to L into B. L into B is given 40 square meters. Okay. Now I am substituting B value. Whatever the B value I am getting here, that I am substituting in place of B. So, L into 14 minus L is equal to 40. 14L minus L square is equal to 40. 14L minus L square minus 40 is equal to 0. I am taking this 40 to left side. Now, this L square is having minus symbol. So, I am changing all the signs of the expression. L square minus 14L plus 40 is equal to 0. Now, this is in the form of quadratic equation. So, again, let us write the quadratic equation formula. Here, A is 1, B is minus 14, C is 40. Okay. A value is 1, B value is minus 14, C is 40. These three values now I am substituting in the quadratic equation formula. Okay. Minus of minus 14 minus B plus or minus root B square minus 14 whole square minus 4 into A, 1 into 40 by 2 into 1. That is minus into minus plus 14 plus or minus root 14 whole square. (196). 196. Okay. 4 AC. 4 into 1. 4. 4 into 80. 4 into 40. 160. Okay. 4 into 1, 4. 4, 40 is 160. By 2 into 1 is 2. That is 14 plus or minus square root of 196 minus 160 is 36 by 2. So, is equal to 14 plus or minus square root of 36 is 6. 14 plus or minus 6 by 2. L value is L is equal to 14 plus 6 by 2 or 14 minus 6 by 2. That is 20 by 2 or 12 minus 6. 8 by 2. So, L is equal to either 10 or 4. Okay. B is equal to, here B value is substituted. B is equal to 14 minus L. 14 minus 10 or 14 minus 4. Okay. 14 minus 10 is equal to 4. 14 minus 4 is equal to 10. So breadth, if L is 10 or 4, then breadth will become 4 or 10. Once again listen, perimeter of rectangle is given 28, area of the rectangle is 40, perimeter formula 2 into L plus B is equal to 28. I am sending this 2 to the right side so that it comes in the denominator's place. After cancellation, L plus B is equal to 14. I am finding only B. So B I am keeping left side, sending L to the right side. B is equal to 14 minus L. B is equal to 14 minus L. Next, I took area. Area is given 40. Area formula is L into B. L, in place of B I am substituting 14 minus L. L into 14, 14L. L into minus L square is equal to 40. I am sending 40 to left side so that it became minus 40. I am writing in the quadratic equation form. By using the quadratic equation formula, I am getting L value is equal to 10 or 4. Okay. When I substitute these two values, I am getting 4, breadth is equal to 4 or 10. Okay. I hope you understand well this problem. Okay. Thank you.